How to unlock notes on iPhone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be discussing about how you can easily unlock notes on iPhone. So if you ever forget your passcode for your notes, which you set it on your notes application on iPhone, so here's what you need to do. So first thing first, just head over to your settings application from your iPhone, and once you're inside here, scroll all the way down until you see the apps section. So now simply locate, or you can also simply search in for the notes application itself. So I'll just search in and locate the notes application, and here you should see the password option. Now once you scroll down, just select it, and from over here you can decide to use custom password or device password. So in this case I have used the device password. If you have used the custom password, you can simply set it up from over here. So since I haven't set it up my custom password, so there is no option to reset my password. But if you have set it up your custom password, there should be option that is your reset password button over here. So you can just tap on that reset password button, and once you tap on that reset password button, it will ask you to verify using your iPhone password. I hope you remember that. So once you enter your iPhone password, you should be getting to this screen where you will have to enter your new password and simply set that password as your custom password on your notes application on iPhone. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.